my good people, we thank Baba God. When Baba God does say allow us see another day. Today, I want to yarn about African best. Our very own Ademola Lookman. Normal level, Cab we want to try us. They don't know some Nigeria, we know they carry last. The way the thing they go before, they be want to push the thing, won't give that guy for Real Madrid. We dey observe them with one kind of eye, say, Alpha, what did that guy don't play? Like, we don't know wetin dey sup. They won't like use the normal Real Madrid powerhouse. They like give her the matter. The team be done they come. Story be done they come. Say they won't give the guy. But normal level now, when they see the way we take come, full force. Say Alpha, we know they look on the eye. They know say Nigeria no dey carry last any day, anytime. So normal now, they don't announce say Ademola as the best African player. Nobody fit take her for him. The only African may make Ballon d'Or list. If it happen, no fit happen. I like the guy. The fact say the guy use wetin happen to her for Fulham to make a name for himself. Normal, if na some players after that thing wey happen to her for Fulham, normal the guy go drown. He no go fit make headway again. Even as everybody they talk say the country bad, Nigerian this, Nigerian that. No how. When it comes to the football aspect, most of the Nigeria players when we say see way I come up for our body, go play for other nations, they know the difference now. At the same time, when we take approach Lookman may play for us, at the same time we take approach Tammy Abraham may play for us. But the guy no agree. But look at now, how many cap he gets for England? You see, if no be say that guy choose Nigeria, no level. That guy for no play any international tournament for England, no be say they should bet my man fly. But see now, he talk Nigeria really change his career. No doubt about that one at all. You know if you doubt that one. But I no go lie, that guy the ball. Everybody say and consistently. As in, one thing I like about the guy, that the fact say the guy is always available. You know they get injury. That be one thing as a player. If you're always available, they help you. The guy really don't ball. As in, you know, if you just compare, that guy now be the best African player for the world, even before they even give that award yesterday for Morocco. Now be the best. Normally, more give and take Bozai. Normal, they proud say I be Nigerian. At the same time, they proud say Ademola winner. The fact say the guy represent the culture yesterday. See the Agbada may wear now on point. Everything just there on point. But really, I dey happy say the guy win and the guy deserve him. The fact say he choose us at the time when he choose us, as in no form like the others. I dey happy, and he choose us when he pick, when the career just really they start. Most of all these players, and when they don't reject them for their national team for England anyhow, they don't reject them. They don't like 28, 29. They'll come they push body entire Super Eagles. But no, this guy accept us. We didn't know why even they pick safe when the career just the start. You get me? So I did very happy for normally we don't win a back to back. We see me win a 2023. They don't win and now Nigeria go see win them again. No wahala na mo could celebrate this one at least, even if the country seems not today to celebrate. This one I say plus for us. When we see laugh, when we see smile, when we see jollificate. My people, una do.